for me, work for me, work the body for me, what, work it. Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down.
नमस्कार लेडीज जेंटलमैन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। एंड आज हम टेस्ट राइड कर रहे हैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम VLF। दिस इज बेसिकली द स्कूटर which has recently came to India, and man, look, it looks gorgeous, and you can relate this with S1000 RR's headlight. Basically, before we jump onto the bike, let's get a technical details of the now. First in class, but an interesting feature. This bike basically gets a keyless entry. Actually, you get this fob, so you can just
unlock the scooter from the fob, or you can just keep the key in your pocket, the fob in your pocket. Just come close to the vehicle and you just press the switch and turn it on, and the scooter will be turned on. So basically right now it's off, the key is in my pocket. I just come close to the vehicle, I just press it and I turn it on, and then the bike starts. So you don't have to put the key in order to start the scooter.
Yes, and basically you get a beautiful TFT screen.
So coming from the TFT screen, you have a motorcycle style handlebar. The switch gear on the scooter is all illuminated. So once you, in the night, you will see all these things are illuminated. The other thing is that this is the only scooter in the 125cc segment which has dual disc. So front as well as rear, you get disc brakes. Plus the engine is a liquid cooled 4-valve which produces 12 bhp of power. The top speed of the scooter is 110 kilometers per hour, and it's a liquid cooled. No other scooter in the entire India comes with a liquid cooled 4-valve engine. What happens with that is you can have sustained high speeds, the cooling efficiency is higher, the engine durability is higher, plus it produces more power because it has 4 valves.
Right.
As I said, no other scooter comes with rear discs in the 125cc or the 150 or the 180cc segment. This comes with rear discs, front discs, as well as ABS on both wheels. So this is a dual channel ABS scooter. You have traction control, you have LED projector headlights. As I mentioned, you have keyless entry, you have telescopic front forks, plus you have dual rear gas choke. So no other scooter comes with gas charge dual suspensions. So a lot of first in class features are available on the scooter. Plus the fuel tank on the scooter is 8 liters.
Yes.
And the claimed fuel efficiency is approximately 45 kilometers to a liter. Our customers who are riding the scooter are getting anywhere between 41 to 42 kilometers to a liter. Combine that with a 8-liter fuel tank, you have a very good range of upwards of 300 kilometers. So if you see, in terms of design, in terms of fit finish, quality, in terms of engine, there are a lot of first in class features that we are offering.
It just stands out.
Yes. Plus it's an Italian brand.
Perfect. Yeah.
So we are making this product in India. Everything comes from internationally. We are assembling this scooter here in India, and at just a price of 1.3 lakhs ex showroom, you will not get a product like this in the Indian market, which looks so good, which performs so good, and has so much technology in the scooter. So we are VLF, we are Motohaus India. I look after the entire marketing and brand development for the brand. My name is Prasad, and we are having sir over here for a test ride experience of Motohaus. So I would recommend you guys, if you're in Pune, you can come down to this outlet on Siagad Road. We have our showroom, we have all the vehicles for test ride. You can come here and experience these fantastic products. So you're welcome at Motohaus. See you soon.
Thank you. So then let's jump onto the bike and let's see how it rides. This is how the cockpit looks. The switch gears looks premium, man. This dash, it's colorful. It's kind of a matte black. Let's crank it. Motor seems very smooth, man. So then, bike is very light. Dude, it sounds like a super bike. Seriously, motor is vocal, man. Awesome. It got power. Braking is too good. So as we got the technical details, The bike's braking looks very impressive. As he explained, this scooter have a dual disc, not at the front. I mean, a disc at the front and disc at the back. So at least in India market, you will not get any scooter जिसके आगे भी डिस्क हो and पीछे भी डिस्क ब्रेक हो. And seat, man, seat is comfortable. But bike's engine is vocal. So the traffic में रुके ही है. So let's see this dash. You'll get this fuel gauge. This is a tachometer. You'll get a speed here. Here is your odometer. Trip. I think this is for mileage. I'm not sure where to toggle it. एंड अभी सिग्नल पे रुके ही थे कि एक और फीचर इसका नोटिस किया कि ये ऑटो कट हो जाती है. आई मीन ऑटो ऑफ हो जाती है. So it's a kind of a hybrid system. Now, as I give the throttle, it will automatically turn on. See? Wow. Awesome, man. But the scooter looks and feels very premium. Now let's take a U-turn from here. स्कूटर का वेट बहुत कम फील हो रहा है. Now let's stretch it out. Let's pull. Wow. तो बाइक के इंजन की बात करें तो इसमें आता है 125 सीसी का liquid cooled engine. Liquid cooled engine in scooter, man, that produces around 13 bhp of power, 13 or 12, and 11.3 Newton meters of torque, जो काफी impressive and first in class है. बाइक का सस्पेंशन भी काफी कंफर्टेबल है. This was a short test ride of VLF Mobster 135. Though the name says 135, bike is of a 125 cc. Man. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, then do like, share this with your family and friends, and let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.
That's real good.
Why they stopping me? Stopping me.